Okay, at the buffet, rule number one, always start at the dessert section. That's it. You start at the dessert section. Look at all this good stuff they got here. Hey, this is the kitchen table. Fancy restaurant at the W Hotel. Okay, now we can move on to the salads. Got some cheeses over here. Got some hors d'oeuvres over here. Some cold cuts over here. All kinds of good stuff. Hey, even got some bread, but don't fill up on the bread. Okay, this is the Japanese section over here. You know, eat this, you'll be turning Japanese. Yeah, they got good Japanese stuff over here. Yeah, can't wait. Put the camera down and go and eat. Here's a nice display of fruit over here for all you fruits out there and veggies. They got a whole line of veggies. Make your own salad. The Caesar salad is what I recommend. Over here, they have some hors d'oeuvres. Always take a couple of those. Now, over here, we are at the Thai food table. All kinds of, Thai foods and stuff they have. And they got some international dishes over here. The main course. Yeah, international stuff. I recommend this end, especially the salmon. The salmon is real good here. And they got some pasta. Can't leave you Italians out. Gotta have pasta. Now we're back down and they got some fancy breads over here. I always take a little piece of these, usually the ones with the onions on. Now let's go back over here because I just realized I missed the Thai section. Here we go. Here's the Thai section right over here. And they got pizza in the Thai section. Hey, how about that? Look, you don't have to buy me any coffee or any crap like that. Just like and subscribe. It's free.